My name is Mikhail, this is Eagle Crypto, and on today's video, I'll be showing you the different types of cryptocurrencies. Let's begin. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that a company provides. Think of them as you would arcade tokens or casino chips. You'll need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or service. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. What are blockchains? A blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. A blockchain collects information together in groups, also known as blocks, that hold sets of information together. Blocks have certain storage capacities and when filled are chained onto the previously filled block, forming a chain of data known as the blockchain. All new information that follows that freshly added block is compiled into a newly formed block that will then also be added to the chain once filled. Here is an example of how a blockchain works. A transaction is requested and authenticated. A block representing that transaction is created. The block is sent to every node or participant in the network. So remember, node means participant. So nodes validate the transaction or participants validate the transaction. Nodes receive a reward for proof of work, typically in cryptocurrency, or participants, they receive a reward for their proof of work. The block is added to the existing blockchain. The update is distributed across the network. The transaction is complete. And this is what it means when they say that the information on the blockchain is spread across multiple different computers on the network simultaneously. What is inside the blockchain? Within each block is the previous block's hash and the current block's hash, which contains the transaction information. If such an event were to occur, it would disrupt and alert the network. The data from the blocks around it wouldn't match, making the blockchain a very secure network. Categories of cryptocurrency. You have blockchains, oracles, DeFi, NFTs, stablecoins, and many more. But for now, a blockchain is a digital record of transactions. The name comes from its structure in which individual records called blocks are linked together in a single list, called a chain. Blockchains are used for recording transactions made with cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, and have many other applications. Oracles sends data from the outside world, such as the daily temperature or the number of votes a political candidate received, to a blockchain. A smart contract on the blockchain can then use the data to decide about whether to dispense money and to whom or whatever action that fact triggers. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a blockchain-based form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks to offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilizes smart contracts on blockchains. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a class of cryptocurrency asset in which each item or token is entirely unique. This makes them useless as a currency, but quite useful for other things such as crypto art. Stablecoins can be pegged to the price of a cryptocurrency, fiat money, or to exchange traded commodities such as precious metals or industrial metals. Example of Oracle cryptos. CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK is a decentralized Oracle network which aims to connect smart contracts with data from the real world. CHAINLINK is a platform that aims to bridge the gap between blockchain technology-based smart contracts, which are made widespread by Ethereum, and real-world applications. Since blockchains cannot access data outside their network, oracles, a DeFi instrument, are needed to function as data feeds to smart contracts. An oracle provides external data, like the temperature or weather, that triggers smart contract execution upon the fulfillment of predefined conditions. The utility of CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK is a decentralized oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts on the blockchain. Link tokens are the digital asset token used to pay for the services on the network. An oracle is software known as middleware that acts as an intermediary, translating data from the real world to smart contracts on the blockchain and back again. The link token is used in the CHAINLINK network to compensate CHAINLINK node operators for the retrieval of data from the external data sources, turning it into blockchain-readable, off-chain computation and uptime guarantees. Remember, nodes mean participants on the network. Example of DeFi cryptos. DeFi lending, users can loan or borrow cryptocurrencies as you could with fiat currency at a bank and earn interest as a lender. Bitcoin, or BTC. Bitcoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer online cryptocurrency, meaning that all transactions happen directly between equal independent network participants without the need for any middlemen to permit or facilitate them. Bitcoin was created to allow online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment method that operates with no central authority or banks. Transaction management and the issuing of Bitcoin is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is open source, meaning its design is public and no one person owns or controls it. Everyone can take part and be in the network. Utility of Bitcoin. Because of Bitcoin's inability to handle payments at a large scale, it is now considered a store of value, or SOV. You can consider Bitcoin as the central bank of cryptocurrency, and the more people who are exposed to Bitcoin, the scarcer it becomes, giving it an even higher price. NANO. NANO is a cryptocurrency that is designed to facilitate secure, practically instant payments without fees and addresses some of the major limitations of both legacy financial infrastructure and many modern cryptocurrencies. NANO is designed to be fast. That is why most NANO transactions complete within less than a second compared to several minutes or even longer for any other major cryptocurrencies. Since representatives do not receive financial compensation for their efforts to secure the network, there is no need for a transaction fee. This makes NANO an ideal solution for processing the microtransactions, since users no longer need to worry about fronting a potentially expensive transaction fee when making small payments. These features are enabled by its unique architecture. Unlike many cryptocurrencies which are built on top of a blockchain, NANO is instead built around a similar ledger technology called a directed acyclic graph, DAG. This structure is highly reliable and allows NANO to process as many as 1,000 transactions per second without requiring an energy-intensive mining network to maintain its integrity. NANO is an eco-friendly digital payment option, as of current, Bitcoin can only handle 4.6 transactions per second. Example of blockchain cryptos. Ethereum, or ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. Ethereum works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. Smart contracts are computer programs that automatically execute the actions necessary to fulfill an agreement between several parties on the internet. They were designed to reduce the need for trusted middlemen between contractors, thus reducing transaction costs while also increasing transaction reliability. Ethereum's goal is to become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. In addition to smart contracts, Ethereum's blockchain can host other cryptocurrencies called tokens using its ERC20 compatibility standard. Utility of Ethereum. Ethereum enables the deployment of smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Ethereum comes complete with its own programming language, which runs on a blockchain, enabling developers to build and run distributed applications. Ether is like the fuel for running commands on the Ethereum platform and is used by developers to build and run applications on the platform. Ether is used mainly for two purposes. It is traded as a digital currency on exchanges in the same fashion as other cryptocurrencies, and it is used on the Ethereum network to run applications. Bitcoin is considered the grandfather of all cryptocurrencies. A key difference between cryptocurrency and fiat money is that fiat money can have inflation due to overprinting. There will only ever be a certain amount of Bitcoin in the world. So the concept of there being an overinflation of Bitcoin is non-existent. Some cryptocurrencies have a deflationary mechanism in place to keep the value from being stagnant and to keep the value rising. For example, there will only ever be a max supply of 21 million Bitcoin. From that number alone, you can see that not everyone in the world can own Bitcoin, let alone everyone in a country. A deflationary mechanism burns or decreases the total supply by however amount. They can do this quarterly or burn a certain amount every time a transaction is made, which can then make that cryptocurrency more scarce and therefore raise its value and price. To simplify Ethereum, I like to call it the military. In all the branches, Army, Navy, Marines are decentralized applications built off the military or built off Ethereum. Examples of NFTs. ENJIN coin. ENJIN coin is a project of ENJIN, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. ENJIN's flagship offering is the ENJIN Network, a social gaming platform through which users can create websites and clans, chats, and host virtual item stores. ENJIN allows game developers to tokenize in-game items on the Ethereum blockchain. It uses ENJIN coin, an ERC20 token, to back the digital asset issued using this platform, meaning that items can be bought and sold and traded with real-world value. And if you remember seeing ERC20, that means it was built off of Ethereum or built off the military. The ENJIN blockchain ecosystem aims to offer software products that make it easy for everyone to develop, trade, monetize, and market with blockchain. ENJIN has roots in the gaming industry, with the company's first product, a gaming community platform called the ENJIN Network. Growing to 20 million users over the course of a decade, ENJIN established itself as a leading blockchain ecosystem developer, building a suite of software products that enable anyone to easily mint, manage, trade, distribute, and integrate blockchain assets. Examples of stablecoins. USD coin or USDC. USD coin is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that attempt to peg their market value to some external reference. Stablecoins may be pegged to a currency like the US dollar or to commodities price such as gold. Stablecoins are designed to not be volatile. USD coin was made on the Ethereum blockchain, but is available on other blockchains as well. As you can see, its price is to remain consistently at $1 at all times. In summary, USD coin is a service to tokenize the US dollar, and it encourages the use over the internet and public blockchains. USDC tokens can be changed back to US dollars at any time. The execution of issuing and redeeming USDC tokens is done with the ERC20 smart contract. Bringing US dollars on the blockchain allows moving them anywhere in the world within minutes and brings much needed stability to cryptocurrencies. Also, it opens new opportunities for trading, lending, risk hedging, and more. Centralized exchange versus decentralized exchange. Centralized exchanges are a type of cryptocurrency exchange that is operated by a company that owns it in a centralized manner. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, are a type of cryptocurrency exchange which allows for direct, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions to take place online, securely, and without the need for an intermediary. UNISWAP. UNISWAP is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance (DeFi) tokens. UNISWAP aims to keep token trading automated and completely open to anyone who holds tokens while improving the efficiency of trading versus that on traditional exchanges. UNISWAP is a decentralized protocol for trading, and UNI is its in-house governance token. UNI is an ERC20 token, meaning it required Ethereum to function, and ERC20 meaning it was built on Ethereum. The primary function of the UNI token is to be used as a governance over the Uniswap protocol and the funds in the governance treasury. To summarize this mumbo jumbo, you can use the UNI tokens to vote on how it's ran. This occurs when the network offers a petition in which you can vote, like an election, on what changes you want to see made to the network. That's the big difference between the centralized and decentralized world. Centralized, they make the rules. Decentralized, the community makes the rules. Another aspect of UNI's utility is a potential revenue share. The governance contract contains a fee switch, which if activated, will enable UNI holders to earn a portion of the protocol's fees. Student coin, or STC. Student coin is the first educational token designed at universities around the world for wide academic tokenization that is already available at over 450 universities. Student coin is the first crypto platform that allows users to easily design, create, and manage personal startup, NFT, and DeFi tokens. Student coin is also the first cryptocurrency directly related to the network of universities that helps in promoting the blockchain values and building the big international community. The student coin is run by students, faculties, and entrepreneurs from over 20 universities, including the New York University, Harvard University, Stanford University, University of Oxford, London School of Economics, and Imperial College London. Student coin is a utility token for the whole STC ecosystem. Some utilities of the STC tokens are to vote for a project's development plan, allow students to sign petitions using STC as a blockchain proof of identity, access to premium investing and trading workshops, create your own tokens, create corporate tokens, create startup tokens, and many more. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If I taught you something new, let me know what it was in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It will support the channel and ensure my message reaches more people. In the next video, I'll show you how you can trade cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange. See you then. I'm staying up all night, I'm chasing my dreams, couldn't get distracted, don't change the scene. Can't eat the food, change the recipe. If you don't like it, change your destiny. Like a video game, you can change your name, but if you don't try it, you gon' stay the same. All the power you need is within your frame. Just look inside when you wanna make a change. I didn't know we had control of our own life, of our own soul.